Yo, what's up guys? Oleg here. So in this video, I'll be going over how I learned the muscle up. So this all starts in January 2022. I was just thinking how I could take my fitness to the next level, and I was really inspired by Chris Heria out of more than anyone. Just the things he does calisthenics wise is just crazy. It's absolutely unbelievable, and it inspired me. I already was into calisthenics a bit while gyms were closed in 2020, but this motivated me to get more into it. And I was just thinking, what's the first step to increase my calisthenics skills? And that would be to do the muscle up. So I ended up visiting Muscle Beach in Miami as well, where people like Chris Heria and all the other calisthenics people would have their competitions, and they're just train in general. And I actually filmed a workout video there too. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put it in the link. And it was crazy experience. I absolutely loved it, and it honestly inspired me even more. So I started practicing the muscle up in January, and I finally got it in the end of April. So this took months of practice and dedication, and the biggest thing I learned was to stay consistent, and it was more about form than anything, to be honest. And I want to take the opportunity to show you guys the steps I took to learn the muscle up, so you guys can learn how to do it as well. Let's get it.
Alright, yo, let's get it, guys. So first step you gotta do is, it's pretty simple. You just gotta get the swing. You gotta get the momentum down. So I'll demonstrate right now. You gotta get a little swing. It'll be harder at first, so you might have to get a bigger swing, cheat a little bit, but that's step number one. So step number two, you gotta transition from the swing to the pull-up. That's what I'm doing right now. So swing. Alright, so those two are pretty simple. Moving on to step number three. So after you got the swing and the pull-up, next up is the high pull-ups. This one's a bit more difficult, but once you get this one down, you're getting there, you're getting close. So let's go, do it. So swing, pull up, and the high pull-up. All right, let's get it. So now we're on step number four. So those three, I was pretty stuck on for a while. So the next thing to practice is just dips in general, but not normal dips, but dips like on a bar. So what I recommend is on the Smith machine, I would just put it a bit lower, get on it, and practice them. I don't have one here, so we're gonna do it on this lower bar. Gotta do an awkward ass muscle up first. So just rep these out. Okay. On to step number five. So this is the transition hand flip. So I was stuck on this for a while because I kept getting the high pull-ups, but I couldn't get the whole transition. So what actually helped a lot was taking videos and seeing them. So you literally, it's just like a mental thing. While you're up there, you just gotta do the flip, the hand flip. And that's basically, once you get that, then you go up and you basically got the muscle up. So let's do it right now. So basically just gonna do full muscle up. So instead of the high pull up like this, you gotta do the hand flip. All right, so once you get the hand flip, you basically got it. It's the last step, the muscle up. Step number 6, congrats, baby. It won't be all in one day like this, but if you practice all these steps, you get it eventually. So let's get it, baby. Let's do it. So we got the swing. Oh.
Hope those steps helped, guys. Now I just want to go over some advice I have. So as I was mentioning earlier, something that really helped me was the assisted pull-up machine, and just straight up doing muscle ups on them. So as you can see here, I just step right on it, not with my knees, but with my feet. And I just do the full range of motion, going all the way down and all the way up. It's not exactly perfect, but it helps. It really, really helps a lot. And you can keep on practicing this way and get your muscles used to the muscle up. And as you keep on getting better, you can decrease the weight, and it makes it more difficult until you can do the actual muscle up. So as I was saying earlier, something else that really helped me was taking videos of me trying to do the muscle up. This way I could see my form and I could see what I have to work on. So this really helped me with the hand flip transition, and it helped me critique my form. And this is honestly what helped more than anything. So I really recommend you guys take videos so you can see what you're doing right and wrong.
All right, so that's all the steps, guys. I hope that helped. So those are pretty much the 6 basic steps I took to learn the muscle up. It obviously did not take one day. It took me months of practice, and it was mostly about the form, but I eventually got it. So I hope this helped, guys, and ready to learn more calisthenics and ready to keep on doing muscle ups, and hope you guys will too. So hope you all enjoyed, hope it helped. End of the video. Cheers, let's get it. Slava Ukraini.